Alright. So I already have a save started in Stardew Valley, so I'm gonna be playing that one today. If it loads in. And I hope my mods are working correctly, because otherwise that would be really unfortunate. And I am a little bit... there we go. Okay, so I was a little bit skeptical, but it looks like they look alright. I definitely do want to get some mods on the crops. And I'll probably give the credit to the mods in the description. And it looks like I'm gonna be fighting these animals a little bit near the start of the day, so that's always fun. But yeah, so I want this to be like an hour of uncut footage where you can put it on in the background while you're, I don't know, like you could be doing honestly whatever. Like you could be doing chores, you could be doing homework, anything. And I hope that it's something that you can just chill with in the background. And I'm sensing that this is a bit too loud for me, but there's not much I can do about it. I'm trying to figure out what that clover is, but I don't know what that is, so I'm actually just gonna ignore it for now. Do you feel like the sounds are a bit loud? Okay, I know you can't answer me, but if you could answer me, that would be great. Because this is my first time really using this software, and I don't know if I'm messing it up or anything. Wow, my farm could definitely use some work, but I want to decorate it, so that's what we're going to be doing these past few minutes, is that we're just going to be, wait, I need to go back, just going to be decorating the farm, which is always amazing. I'm actually going to get a few seed makers so I can start doing the greenhouse, and looks like I already started a bit, but it's really nothing. There was just a lot of ancient seeds that I ended up planting before. So, yeah, I'm sorry you couldn't see that, but I mean, it is what it is, right? Anyway, so hopefully after this hour you will have finished quite a bit of what you need to do, or you may have finished it completely, but I do advise you to get back to work if you haven't done so already. I want to change these paths into the stepping stone ones. And the ones that I have there are kind of just placeholders right now. So I'm probably going to remove those. I can't tell if this is loud or if it's my headphones. Oh yeah, sorry about the audio quality. I can say that now because I'm streaming, but no, I'm not streaming, but I'm doing something close. But yeah, sorry about that. I just don't have a very good pair of headphones, so I don't have a good excuse for my audio quality, but I hope you can forgive me nonetheless. I might want to move them over here if possible. So I'm gonna start moving these chests along. Wow, the sound is really bad. I'm sorry about that. I'm gonna turn the sound down a little bit. But other than that, I think it's alright. And these chests are getting progressively further and further away from uh, my house, which is a little bit concerning for when I'm trying to hurry on back. But what can you do, right? And after this, I'm gonna check on my animals. I don't know how I picked up a stone walkway there. But I'm actually probably gonna remove this entire bit, which means I can patch up my floor in the other place. Wow. Isn't this so entertaining? Get back to work. Sorry. I shouldn't be bossing you around. But if I just put the workbench back. There. There. Alright. Let's go to Robin's. So I can get the recipe for the walkway. Even though I'm slightly broke right now, I actually haven't been prioritizing money. I recently completed the community center, so there's not much that I want to do right now other than complete the skull caverns. But yeah, that's pretty difficult right now for me because I'm not as decked out as I want to be, and I'm also pretty bad at combat in this game. Actually, I think I've already purchased the path. Oh, Linus. So, maybe I don't need to show them? Not show them, sorry. I don't know what I'm talking about. I meant, I don't have to go buy it again. Yeah. Now, the mods actually look really good, but now I'm feeling a little bit out of place with my dinosaur costume here. Looks so vibrant against the dollar colors. I feel a little bit, like I shouldn't be here, like a little bit out of place, Oh, why he digging in the trash? I'm thinking maybe I should actually upload a few non-voiced versions of these gameplays. So if you're doing like, for example, if you're doing English homework and stuff, that would definitely be a lot more helpful if I wasn't talking all the time. Yeah. Or maybe I just shouldn't talk in them, because I find it a bit harder to concentrate if someone else is talking. But certainly, if you let me know, that would be great. Yeah, let me answer the phone number. Hello? It rang twice, and then... Okay. Hi, Haley. What else do I have to do? Well, I did want to... Well, I love the sound of the horse. I really do. It's one of my favorite sounds in the game. Just the galloping. Oh my god, it's such a nice sound. A bit nerding around here. Oh! Whoops. That's my bad. There we go. Oh. Thinking we should move these too. And perhaps this one too. These ones can stay. I'm just gonna move around the mayonnaise machine and the oil machine. Just so that we've got that separation. Otherwise it's a bit messy, I think. There's actually a lot of work I need to do on this farm. Definitely chiller gameplay after I finish the community center. Because I was speedrunning to finish it in year 1, which I unfortunately failed to do so. But I did finish it in day 1, year 2, day 1 of spring. So that is all good. I can't think of a good place to put my furnaces. I'm thinking maybe like all the way down here. And I could put it in a row, so when I come back from mining, I just walk along this path and I can put it all in. And for these machines, I just put it down here because I don't really use them. And, oh well. Maybe I'll make a little bee farm here. So let's put this one down. I have a few mahogany trees growing on the ground right now. Because I was trying to farm hardwood before. But they're really slow. So I might actually need some tree fertilizer to put on them. I'm really trying my best not to screw up anything here, but it's kind of hard. Because I'm not really used to speaking in front of a camera, let alone in one take, so it's definitely a bit difficult for me right now. But I hope I can get better at this in the future. I don't understand why I have so little fiber. I really don't, but maybe I can get some more in the summer. What is this 4-leaf clover doing? I can't even break it. That's kind of annoying. It is. I've definitely, crap. I was supposed to go to Robin and get a wardrobe for my clothes because they are slightly filling up all my chests. So this one is practically full with clothing. So I really do need a dresser. A dresser is what I meant. So I'm actually gonna go to sleep and see what I can do tomorrow. Oh wow. I didn't think I did that much today. Looks like I did quite a bit. That's not bad. I am only racking in a few thousands a day so far. Just because I'm still quite close to the start, you know? I'm still quite early game, despite having completed the center, because I still have to get to Ginger Island. And oh, thanks, Caroline. Which is really, I don't know, it's really, I don't know. It feels weird having completed the community center so fast. Because I speedrun it and now like, feels like I have nothing to do. Even though I definitely have a lot to still do, you know. I still have a lot to explore and I haven't even met Mr. Chi yet. Which is, okay, well he's fairly late game, so yeah. I might actually sell these eggs, because there's not really a point in keeping them in, or making them into mayonnaise. And then I'm gonna put these truffles in this chest. Obviously the preserves jar is a bit of a hassle here, so I might actually do this. I'm gonna get my scythe, and I'm gonna actually clear out a bit of space. If I can find my scythe. Where is my scythe? Okay. I got my scythe. Whew. So much effort, right guys? I am just the most hard-working farmer out there. Oh, I can't figure out if I want to keep a bit of grass out there for... You know, I'll figure that out later. I can always just make more, you know. I'm thinking we go down to the forest today. We can get some fiber. That way, when I come back, I won't be completely broke of fiber. And that way I can probably make some more fertilizer. So these 2 days were pretty uneventful. Honestly, I'm starting to think I have nothing to do here. But I am kind of just avoiding the possibility of dying in Skull Cavern. I feel like every time I go, I die by like floor 20. Which is not that bad, but I do need to be better. Because if I'm not getting to floor 100, it's a bit of an issue, because I do want the auto petter. I'm not seeing a lot of fiber. Maybe there's like, is there a better way to farm fiber than just coming down here? I'm not sure there is. I actually don't really know. But I think once the green rain comes in summer, I'll be able to stock up a little bit more. Oh, hat mouse. Oh, that's so cute. I want the lucky bow. Maybe I'll be a bit luckier with this one on. Oh. Like 0.2% luckier. That's still better than nothing. Consenting should really make that into a mechanic. If you wear anything lucky, it becomes lucky. If you have a rabbit's foot, it's lucky. But only if you're superstitious. Wow. This place is so sad. There's like nothing here. There was 2 total spring onions. 2. Alright, man. Maybe I should do one of those stereotypical YouTube intros. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, you know? But I feel like that's a little bit cringe. And it's very 2018 core. I remember a lot of YouTubers doing that. I watched a lot of YouTubers back then as well. I watched a lot of Dan TDM. And then when I got into Stardew Valley, I watched a lot of Dangerously Funny DF. And I was watching him play modded Stardew Valley. If he ever played modded. I'm pretty sure he played modded. I don't really remember anymore. My memory is deteriorating. Which is kind of bad, actually. Because I'm not even 20, bro. What are the chances my memory fades before I'm 20? That would be a nightmare. I'd say I would go to Robin, right? Oh. Do you guys also have that problem where you accidentally press like C, but right before you can interact with an object? And then you just get that eating prompt? I feel like I always get it because I'm too lazy to move my mouse towards the object that I'm trying to interact with anyway. That's not. Oh yeah, it is. It is. That is what I wanted. I wanted a dresser. I'm not paying 200,000 for a furniture catalog. I don't even have that money, so how do I just get this oak dresser? And then I might want a calendar just because. And yeah, I'll buy a few log sections, but I don't know if you can craft it later on, so I won't buy too many. I never really check Robin's store anyway, so definitely should check on her more. I feel like she's quite a core. Um, she's very essential to the progression of our house, but I really don't see a point in her. I'm sorry. I'm sure she's useful. She's definitely useful, but I don't see a point in always checking. And I have the telephone anyway, so I guess it's not all bad, right? Can you put magnets in a dresser? Top 10 questions. Oh, that's not the dresser. Okay, you can put rings in a dresser. It's good to know. Alright. Once I clear all of this out, it will be so much easier to store everything. Oh my god, even the garbage can hat is different with this mod. That's cool. Wait, maybe I'll wear this. I know I just put this on, but I can't help it. The trash panda in me has to. I'm gonna wear this shirt. Oh, that's kind of ugly. Okay, wait. Oh. Hey, Willis. I'm gonna say I know your secret, Lewis. What's that? I think the line cut out. I can't hear a thing. Alright, well, I guess I'll hang up then. Bye. Alright. Ah? 我不需要啥东西。 Ha! Ha! Oh, that's my dad. Ha! Oh, yeah. I'm at a very Chinese point in my life, obviously. That's why I'm speaking this way. Maybe I should milk my cow, actually. Isn't milk kind of profitable? I don't know. Oh, that's kind of cute. Trust me, you gotta see the vision. Ooh. It's nice that the grass is spread all under the fence. Oh wait, I think I put that there. Oh my god. I want to make more lightning rods. I wonder if I can make more lightning rods. Not really sure. I'll need more quartz, refined quartz for it. But it's not looking too good because I don't have any. I could always make more though, I guess. This one. Alright. Let's go down to where I put my furnaces. Alright. Should be done in a bit. I'll be right back, Lewin. My bad. I'll be right back when they're done. Or maybe I'm just a bit impatient and I won't be back when they're done. Be back before they're done. Oh. I don't really know what to do with my stardew tea. I feel a little bit of pain in my chest when I give it to someone. That's my stardew tea and it's so hard to get. Well, it's not that hard to get. It's just a little bit difficult, I guess. Okay, wait, maybe I need to fish up the sardines. Wait, let's fish up the sardine. Wait, Lukey. I want a prize ticket. I recently came back to this game after not playing I just hadn't played in a while. And I last played like in the 1.5 version. So I was actually really shocked by some of the developments in this game because I never saw any of that, you know. So it was definitely a shock, but no, it's fun. I think the prize tickets are fun. I do like those. I'll make a few more kegs. One day Robin will let me build a shed. One day, right here. I mean, she already you know what I mean. Like, she's already letting me. I just don't have the materials, I think. Or maybe I just can't be bothered. One of the two. I don't remember. Ugh, I'm gonna cringe so bad when I look over this recording again. Do you think I should put closed captions on this? Maybe I caption this. But it's an hour of footage, man. I really don't want to. No, I should. But I think I'm gonna rely on YouTube's for now. No matter how unreliable they are. Just because I don't have the time to do that right now since all this stuff with uni. Yes. First year uni student. Isn't that fun? So. I'm not completely swamped. Not like I'm not amazingly swamped, but I am decently swamped. So maybe right now what I need to be focusing on is uni. But I love Stardew Valley, and the 1.7 update is coming soon, I just realized. So might as well revisit this game and then... Oh, wait, you can't put his shots into the dresser. Revisit this game and then maybe upload a few videos just of me playing this game. It's the raw footage. I don't know if anyone wants to watch this, but it's good background noise, right? That was the point. That was the whole point of this video. And also a bit self-indulgent. I can play games and then have an excuse to. I'd be like, but this is for a video, so I have to. My people need me. And my people is like 2 subscribers and probably my friends. But yeah. Other than that, I really have nothing else going on. My workplace, oh my god, let me tell you. It is so annoying trying to contact that place. Because I swear, whenever I say I can't work a day, they decide that that's the perfect day to put me on. I literally told them I can't work Tuesdays, and their first instinct was, alright, we'll put you on Thursdays. That's fine, that's fine. I'm not dissing them for that, I'm just saying. And I was like, okay, that's great. I would love to be put on for Thursdays. And they were like, great, we'll be in touch in like a week. A week later rolls by, and my boss, he texts me and he goes, how are you thinking about Tuesday? I was like, we already talked about Thursday. How are you telling me to work on Tuesdays now? But, oh, what was that? Wait, is that the alien capsule? Oh crap, I forgot that existed. Wait, I'm gonna go look for it. Okay. I'm gonna play through like this day, and then I think, I hope that that's enough for an hour, because it's quite a while that I've been on this, right? And I don't know if you guys want to hear me yap that much. I'm pretty sure you're probably sick of my voice already. And if you have watched this far, thank you so much, first of all. And second of all, I would be sick of my voice right now. I don't know how you're doing it, so thank you so much. Yes, thank you so much. I am loving the mushroom logs. I don't know if that was there in 1.5 because I didn't play too thoroughly. But that's a nice thing. Oh, wait, there's the alien capsule. If I remember correctly, you have to... Alright, take this. Because if you don't take it, I'm pretty sure the strange alien creature will decide it's your time and then escape. Oh. Okay. Oh. Three ancient fruit seeds. It's amazing. Okay. I do, why is my cursor, why is my normal cursor on top of the actual, wait, is there a way to fix this? Alright, that's better. Let's put this in our house. Not sure how much Haley will appreciate it. Sorry, wife. But this thing is in our house now. Ooh. Let's put it near the fireplace. It's gotta keep warm somehow. It's a bit humane, isn't it? A bit more humane than letting them rot outside, right? Oh, wow. My pig screw up. Now they're all adults. That means I get a lot of truffles now, which is always great. I love truffles. They make me money. I love money. I also love the tailoring aspect in this game. I do love finding out what clothes I can make, even though sometimes, or a lot of the time, they're pretty disappointing. It can be pretty fun to figure out how to make certain clothing. I really want to make... Oh, it's happening again. I want to make a skirt, so I might figure out how to do that later. I don't know how people are getting through this game without the wiki, man. It's a lot of stuff. It's such a nuanced and interesting game. I just don't understand how people can do that. Like, that's really impressive, actually, to play without guidance at all. I feel like that's very impressive. The wiki literally carried me. Oh, requires more call. Okay. Carried me through this entire run, I swear. So otherwise, it requires a lot of logic, and when games require me to use my brain, apparently my brain cells decide that it's time to all fly away, and I never end up figuring out what they meant, which is really depressing. Depressing for me because I really wanted to know, but I guess not everything is meant to be, you know. What do I want to do? I would love to oh yes, I need to fish for sardines. So maybe I'll go down to the beach. Wait. I'll take my horse with me. It's a lot faster this way. Ugh. I feel like I can't go anywhere without my horse anymore. It's like so much faster. Such a big quality of life change that I just can't go without it. Walking around Pelican Town is so slow. 80 hardwood or 1,000 pieces of stone. Neither. I wonder if Oh, that's... Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna go by this lonely rock here. Maybe I'll take the hardwood quest, because I do need to end up getting 200 hardwood anyway from anywhere, just to repair the Ginger Island boat, Willie's ship. But yeah, I haven't figured out well, I have figured it out. I'm just too lazy to go and get it. Because I feel like hardwood is so difficult to get. So yeah. Hopefully by now you've logged in, because I certainly need to. I have quite a bit of work to do, but I'm here procrastinating with Stardew Valley. I'm really trying to get back into the game right before the update. I know that after Concerned Ape announces something, he usually doesn't release it until like the next year or something. But it's good to be prepared, and I'm really excited for the next update because I do love this game a lot. It does hold a very special place in my heart because I remember the countless hours I would spend fishing. But now I like mining a little bit more. Maybe because there's a bit of danger to it instead of just frustration from not being able to catch a catfish. To this day, I still have not caught all of the legend fish. Like the legendary fish. Not just the legend. Yeah. So, it's a bit stressful fishing. Alright, just one more sardine. One more. Okay, that's not a sardine. I would love a sardine. This is like the only time I ever want the sardine. Oh, this is not a sardine. I find that while fishing, rapidly clicking to get your place, to save your place, is a lot easier than trying to keep your place by holding it down. Or like, because, oh, it's an anchovy. Because I find it gives me a lot more control over the bobber, even though ultimately I'm still pretty bad at fishing. Still not a sardine. Is the time for sardines over? I thought it was all day. Oh. Willie's walked out. It means I've got a few hours left to go, right? Ah, there we go. Final sardine. Ooh. Good treasure. Oh, my horse. I can't just leave it. Oh, Demetrius wanted it. I thought it was Willie. I was like, I had a few more hours left at the saloon, but I've only got a bit left now. Luckily, I have my trusty steed. I named it Epina after, Legend of Zelda Link's horse. Isn't that cool, guys? Yeah, wait. I should have a rough idea of where Demetrius is. He's in here. He's in here. I got quite a few mods on actually, but they're not like, you know, cheating mods. It's just a bit of quality of life. I feel like the NPC Map Locations is pretty good. Especially since I don't really want to pull up the wiki every time I want to know where someone's at, you know? I can't keep tracking people down like that. It's just not efficient. And as much as stardew isn't about efficiency, you gotta still have some amount, right? I'm actually so tired. I'm recording this at like 8 p.m. and I'm really tired for some reason. Is that a cow? Oh, it's just a decal. What a scam. Can I put this here? No, I can't. Wait, it's looking kind of cute. Yeah, I want this. I'm gonna keep it. The next reward is Omni Geodes, which isn't. It's not. Wow, I don't know if you can hear my dad whistling in the background, but he's really just video bombing right now. Video bombing all of my stuff right now. But yeah. Oh wow. Wait, that's. No, I don't like that. I'll put up here above my bed. I really don't like the pyramid decal. I might put that in like a chest somewhere so I don't have to look at it all the time. The trout and the pyramid, they're kind of ugly. The cow's really cute. I wanted to make like a Haley themed house, but I can't find this one thing. It's like a standing camera. I feel like you've probably seen it before if you know a bit about the game. It's like this reddish, orangish uh, standing camera. I don't have a better description for it, but if you could help me find that, that would be great. If you're even listening, that would be wonderful. So yeah, I just wanted to make it like a chill gameplay. And this rainy day is really aesthetic actually. And I think that this is a pretty good place to end the day. Alright, I'm gonna go to bed now. In game. I'm probably gonna stay up a bit more. In real life, I'm not. Alright, I think that's a good place to end. Alright, bye bye. Let me just see how much money I have. Alright. Amazing. The end.